But if you decide to do your makeup in 5 minutes and you think you're still going to sleep, you're going to be looking like this. But if you know you don't want to be looking like this and you want to be looking like this, keep watching and don't go anywhere. Hi guys, it's Niella. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. If you're old, thank you for sticking with me on this journey. Thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you so much. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, I would love you to click that cute red button that says subscribe to my channel so we can enjoy this ride together. And while you're at it, don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss a new post whenever I put up new videos on my channel. So today's video, as the title says, is work inspired makeup looks. Let's just be realistic. If you really want to do a proper face beat to work, you need at least 10 to 15 minutes. Don't give yourself the story about doing my makeup in 5 minutes. Doing your makeup in 5 minutes, if you know you're not a pro, you're going to end up looking like this. I'm going to be creating a makeup look that you can rock to work, or you can rock to church, or for your outings. And the makeup look is this one I am wearing right here. If you want to see me create this look so that you can rock this look to work the next day or the following week, just keep watching if you want to see me create this look. First thing you want to do when you wake up in the morning and you're getting ready for work is to have your bath, obviously brush your teeth and get ready for the day's makeup. So the first thing you want to do if you're in a hurry to do your makeup is to do your face before your eyes. I know a lot of people might not see this as very important because they feel they might spill eyeshadows or ruin their eyeliners, but my dear, doing your face routine makes the job faster, unless you want to go late to work, or unless you don't even have that 15 minutes to dedicate or 10 minutes to dedicate for your work makeup. If you don't have, please carry your face like that to work. Okay, I'm just kidding. So the first thing you want to do is to do your face routine, and I'm going to be starting off with my Fayre Gold face primer. Yes, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to be starting with this, and I'm going to be applying this on my face. If you have an oily skin and you know that your office is not air conditioned, I would advise you to go with a mattifying primer or a mattifying lotion. If you're a constant follower of my channel, you would have heard me mention a couple of or a few times about the Pond's oil control cream. But I recently got the Royale mattifying, the Royale Stay Matte mattifying lotion or mattifying makeup primer. So if you have like an oil skin, you can go in with this. I got this from the Antenna Effect on Instagram. I'm going to leave her details in the description bar below. So the next thing you want to do after applying your primer, you give it like a few minutes. Please ensure you are under a fan or you're under an air conditioner while you're doing your makeup, because you're trying to, hurry. So the next thing I want to go in is my foundation, and it's the Fayre Gold Evolution Foundation in the shade 607. So I'm just going to dot this quickly on my skin. So I think it's faster and easier to use a beauty blender to apply your foundation. The next thing I want to go into is just to highlight a little bit. And I'm going to be using my LA Pro Conceal and Chestnut. This step is optional. If you want, you don't have to do it. Now it's time to do the brows. A lot of people might want to do the brows first because they feel that that is very important, but I would always advise you to do the face first, because you can see like now I am almost done with my makeup, and I set this timer for like 15 minutes. I'm sure when I did this video it's going to less than that, but I set it for like 15 minutes and I still have like less than 5 minutes left on my clock and I am done. So I have just my lips and my brows to worry about. So for the brows, I would always advise you to leave it very soft. I don't think anybody does really high stressful brows these days. So ensure your pencil is sharpened and you brush your hair together. You have to ensure you use like a foundation shade, your shade of foundation, or a concealer that is actually your skin tone, to avoid you know, having to do excessive blending afterwards. When I am done with my entire look is to wear lipsticks. For lipsticks, you can either go for red or a blue, a red or a nude lipstick. This is red by Classic Cosmetics, and I'm going to be wearing this just very slightly. Because I don't want people to have to run away from me or take away focus from my face. Choice of lipstick is dependent on you. I don't have to teach you or show you how to or tell you what color of lipstick to wear, but if you were looking to go to church or to go to work, very simple, easy makeup you can do in 15 minutes and still look like, you know, a slay queen is this look right here. Looking at myself at the mirror, I don't think I look too bad for work or for church or for, you know, just want to go out or just want to, you know, hang around. endeavor to ensure that it is soft and it is not dragging too much attention. If you're a boss lady and you have a presentation, I think you need to look very calm, cool and collected so that people don't shift focus away from your presentation onto your face unless the presentation is actually on your face. So I'm going to quickly go fix my hair and I'll be right back to finish this entire look. So guys, I've gone ahead to fix my hair and I think I'm ready for work. So guys, if you love this video, please give me a fat thumbs up. Who is going to be rocking this look? Please let me know in your comment section below and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.